So this cool looking thing is the LM, the VEVOR LM 1200, which is interesting because this is clearly a 1500 watt machine, but it has a 1200 moniker name. On the front, you can see this is where it disperses the snow here. Obviously, it comes with this cool stand, which gets it up in the air, gives you the ability to control the pitch, the angle. It won't rotate on its own. That's something you should know. And in terms of the remote control, it's a very basic remote control where you could turn it on, off, and the volume you want. Super simple, but that's really kind of all you need. And then here you control the minimum to the max, max, minimum, on and off. Very straightforward, and it has a really nice long hose. This nice long hose means you can really place this kind of anywhere you want. This is definitely a super confident platform, kind of very professional, thought out. I think the only thing that you need to know is this one doesn't come with lights, so you're going to have to control your lights some other way for this model. Hey, I wanted to jump in here real quick. If you haven't hit that hype feature here, it is so important on YouTube right now. Please hit that hype feature. This one here, again, no LEDs, but I love the fact that it comes with the stand and the flexibility to mount the 1 gallon container anywhere you want. White looks cool, and obviously you could mount this from a ceiling mount also, but this thing is possibly the most flexible for, like, if you were going to travel somewhere, go to a different location, you want to just pop it out, put it on, and have massive amounts of snow. This is definitely the way to go. So hard for me not to say this is my absolute favorite. I think I just love the whole presentation. It comes with the stand. It's white. Has the 1 gallon reservoir there. Now obviously it doesn't have lights, and there are all kinds of other options here, but you can't possibly go wrong with this one for what it is. There's a link here on the screen and also down in the description. There is one link which will actually bring to your page with all these, and it's snowing here in Florida. Snowing. Please don't snow on the Corvette. I don't want to have to wash the Corvette, thank you. But comment. But again, I'm reminding you, like, subscribe, links are below. Comment if you have any questions about it. This thing is freaking cool.